fall, a beacon of hope in times of fall. With every step, a feathered trail, a whimsical touch that never fails. A symphony of laughter, a joyful sound, a reminder that even giants can be found. Gigantor with a head so high, a Woody Woodpecker, a quirky nod, red feathers dancing, a sight so bright, a curious contrast, a wonder awaits delight. In the annals of legend, his name shall soar. Gigantor, the giant with the smiles roar, his quirky head forever inspire, a testament to laughter and boundless desire. A heart of kindness, a gentle surprise. It rescues the weak, protects the small, a beacon of hope in times of fall. With every step, a feathered trail, a whimsical touch that never fails. A symphony of laughter, a joyful sound, a beacon of hope in times of fall. With every step, a feathered trail, a whimsical touch that never fails. A symphony of laughter, a joyful sound, a reminder that even giants can be found. With every step, a feathered trail, a whimsical touch that never fails. A symphony of laughter, a joyful sound, a reminder that even giants can be found.